Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how you can customize your Shopify store header and footer. So when you've logged in and opened your store, it will show you this home page right here. From this page, you want to click on online store. So on the themes page, we notice that the Dawn theme is selected, which is the one that we currently have. And if you want to get that one, you can search for it and preview it on your own store, but you do need some sort of plan. Now what I do recommend is that Shopify is currently offering each plan for $1 only, and you can do that for 3 months. So if you want to get started with dropshipping or opening a store online with Shopify, I highly recommend that you click the link in the description and you will get access to those plans. So once on this page right here, you can click on customize whatever theme that you have, whether it's the same one or a different one. And we notice 3 main sections here, which are the header, the template, and the footer, which we're going to be customizing separately. So on the headers section, we can see an announcement bar, which is basically what the viewers would see as soon as they come to your store. So it says welcome to my store, and there is a bar to which they can, keep going back and forth with. So if you open this drop down menu right here, you can see what we have right here. So click on the second one. So you can add more than one announcement. So right now I have 4 of them and people can go back and forth with the arrows right here. Right now it all says welcome to our store, but you can easily edit them out by clicking on it and then changing the text right here. So for example, you can add something more about your store. Welcome to our store, for example, high quality hoodies or whatever. This is just an example. You can add links as well if you want to a collection, a certain product, pages, blogs, and so on. And then whenever people just come here and click on this bar, they're going to be able to view the different types of announcements in the announcement bar. So the next thing that we have is the template. So the image banner, if you don't really like how it looks right here, you can change it a little bit. You can get the drop down menu right here and then browse our latest products. Again, you can change what this text is. So instead of browse our latest products, you can say for our latest products, continue viewing here. And then people can see this and then click on shop all, and then they will see the rest of your products. Another thing is that you can add buttons. So if you click on buttons, you can see the first button label, which is the shop all, this button right here. You can change what it looks like, so view all for example, and then it will automatically be updated to view all. You can add, you have to attach a link to it, so all products will be attached to this one. You can change it for example and then have a collections if you want, and then you can have all collections in, and if people click on it, they will be able to view all the collections in your store instead of the product. You can add more than one just button. So since we took the other one away, we can say shop all, and the button will be viewed right here, and then you will have to connect it to your products. And now people can either view all collections or all products based on the customization that we added here. So finally, on the footer section, you can add a bunch of other sections as well as customize your footer. So if you click on add section and then go to custom liquid, you can check the different color schemes in which they already come preloaded with the theme, and you can change them with just one button. So for example, if I like this kind of scheme more, you can choose it. And then as you can see, a bunch of other colors will be changed on your store. So I would stick with this one for now, and then you can customize it however you liked, make it a little bit bigger and then after that, you can add another section for email sign up. Once you've clicked that, as you can see, we have the subscribe to our emails, be the first to know about the new collections and exclusive offers. And here people can write in their emails and then just send them to your store. And that's how they will be able to subscribe to your emails. You can edit all this kind of information. By clicking on that also, you view the subscribe to our email, so the text and then the alignment of the text. So once you've done all that and you want to edit some more information into the footer, click on the drop down menu here and then add the block that says menu. As you can see, a bunch of stuff just showed up on our store, such as the quick links, a search option, such as the quick links. So under the quick links, you can also insert a link right here, and then it could be relevant to your store or the kind of product. For example, if you want them to learn more about your product, you can add all this right here. Another block that you can add is, for example, an image. So this kind of image could add more to the kind of design of your store, and it would go well with the quick links tab and make everything just look better and go well together. And the last block we're going to talk about is the brand information. Now this is very important because you can add all of your brand's information by adding the social media icons and more information about your brand itself, and people can then click on it, follow you on different accounts, and increase the overall visibility of your brand. So make sure this is ticked, so the show social media icons, and then click on the edit brand information. From here you can insert the logo. You can play a little bit more with the colors and add different schemes by clicking on this and then customizing it however you want. And you can see the many different options that you can customize within your store. And by that, we will have reached the end of this video. Hopefully by now you know how to customize your header, your footer, and how you can access the different menus that allow you to customize your store further. If you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.